Hello and welcome to Let's Fix Computers. This is the LCD replacement on a HP Pavilion 15N series laptop. This is quite a common model of HP laptop at the moment. This should be fairly straightforward. We should just be taking off this bezel, removing the panel, putting a new one in, and then we're done. So, if you have a touchscreen, then this video is not for you. This is the non-touchscreen version. I haven't done a touchscreen version of this, so I can't help you with that. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to kick off by removing these plastic covers over the screws. You'll probably need a Stanley blade or something similar for this. I've got a nice sharp one here, and I'm just trying to dig in under those plastic covers. There we go, there's one. There's the other. Then drop out these two screws with a 00 screwdriver. And now we should just be able to pull off this bezel. This is just a matter of getting your nails underneath it and just pulling the clips away. Once you get started like that, you should just be able to wiggle it back and forth just to dislodge the clips. We're getting stuck down the bottom here. Let's just go in with a prying tool to see if we can get that to break free. No, okay. I think we need to lift these hinge parts up. How's that? No, that's not having it either. Let's just see if we can dislodge those from the back. There we go. There we go, and once again that's pulling off again. Okay, right. This is a slightly unusual panel. Normally this is all black along here, however it does look standard, so we'll take out the 4 screws that hold it in, which are these black ones here, here and here and here. I'm just supporting it from the back here because this display assembly is actually quite thin. There we go. If any of the screws are putting up a fight, just switch out to a 0 or a number 1 Phillips and you should have a better time. Right, with those screws out, we should just be able to pull this forward now, like that. And we'll just let that come down. And then we need to remove the display cable. This usually has some kind of sticker holding it in place, some tape or something. I just cut along the edge of the connector just to cut through that tape. And then you should just be able to pull the cable out the back. And that's our old panel done. The new panel goes in. This is known as a razor panel, by the way. This particular model that I've purchased is a Innolux N15 6BGE. However, to be honest, my advice is to jump on eBay and search for the model number of the laptop and LCD, and that will pretty much give you the right thing. Just check that the picture looks vaguely like this and you should be okay. So we'll just push that into the bottom. I'm being very careful not to push down on any of this now, it's just resting on top of the laptop. So we'll just push that into place. There we go, and then we'll lift that up and get those screws back in. Right, now we'll do a test run. So I'll just power that on, and I'm just going to tap F2 to take it into setup. And there we go, we can clearly see that's now working. Right, we'll turn that off again. And now we'll peel off the cellophane. And put that bezel back on. And this will just push back into place. Again, I'm pressing on both sides here so I don't bend anything. And we're on to those last two screws. There we go. Right. Make sure that's still okay. And off we go. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye for now.